What's up, Monster Club? The Party Monster here, and today we have a very special Heat pickup that comes courtesy of Sneaker Union USA. This one is definitely one of those shoes that I've been waiting to show you guys for a while now. Hope you guys enjoy this video, but before we do all that, hit the subscribe button, join the Monster Club, and as always, party on. Yo, what is up, YouTube and the Monster Club? It is yours truly, the life of the party, the young Gohard, and I'm on my Rudolph tip because I'm out here running the show because I am the Party Monster. Back in the house of Monster, back out with a brand new video, and in today's video, I got a very special, long overdue pickup to show you guys that comes courtesy of the Sneaker Union USA, my favorite consignment store to shop at. They have the best prices, most amazing customer service, and I am definitely looking forward to potentially doing a collaboration video with them in the near future. But anyway, I have the pickup right here. I definitely know what's inside this box. Well, not really, but the cool thing is these shoes are both in the same family, so it could either be one or the other, and the third member actually just re-released a couple of weeks ago, so you can probably figure out what shoe I'm talking about by that very vague description, but I'm excited to show you guys the shoe nonetheless. And granted, it's been in a box for like 3 years, and it's an older shoe, so hopefully it's still intact. I swear, if I open this box and I see like a crumbling shoe, I'm gonna be really sad and depressed and whatnot, but hopefully everything works out. I'm super excited. We're like in the holiday spirit and season and everything, and yes, your boy has a very rare off day, so I'm just really excited to hang out and share with you guys. So anyway, without further ado, if you guys haven't already, smash that subscribe button, join the Monster Club. Be sure to follow me on the Whatnot app at Party Monster. January 10th, 5:30 p.m. I'm actually going to be doing a very awesome super sale, I should say, where I'm going to be selling a lot of stuff, $2K worth of merchandise and everything. I'm definitely trying to get ready for my first vacation in 2024 and the first stop of the Faith No More tour in Tampa Bay / Orlando. So yes, be sure to follow me there, bookmark the event. We're gonna have a good time. We're gonna be drinking, we're gonna be just kicking the shit and whatnot. But anyway, without further ado, I've taught you guys ear off enough, but anyway, let's get it. Oh, and for those that are wondering, me and my girlfriend are still kind of figuring things out, but we're kind of okay for the moment. I kind of think we're just going to get back together because that's kind of what we do. We fight, we get back together, and then we fight again and get back together, which is super toxic, but I don't know, it's just kind of us. But anyway, let's take a toast to the Monster Club. And she's super excited to be on the channel. Like, you guys will see her, like, very soon, by the way. So here's to us. Maya, I love you. And I love alcohol, by the way. Anyway, I got my pickup. I got my box cutter. So let's get into it. And this is like the last time you guys will see the beard for a minute because I'm actually going to shave it off like as soon as I do this video and do the whole clean shaving thing while I do the playoff beard for my fantasy football weeks for like the next couple of weeks. So again, you'll see me clean shaving in the next video or so. So anyway, further ado, let's get it. Again, I definitely kind of know what's inside this box. I swear, one of these, I'm going to cut myself, and I'm going to feel really bad. Okay, I get it. That was it right there. See how close that was? Oh, wait. Oh, wow. Okay, first of all, they sent me a little bit more than I actually ordered, so I got a little bit of a surprise. They gave me a Sneaker Union hat. Thank you so much for that, guys. I'm glad I now see this like 3 years later. Thank you for that. You guys are amazing and the best, and I love y'all. I'm going to put that right there for a second. They had the Sneaker Union shirt. I see what they did there. You know I love Supreme, so boom, check that out. Okay. I'm going to rock this. Again, I didn't know they would send this. This is a size large, so they want to show off the boys' guns. But anyway, we got the pickup. And y'all see the box. So it can only be one of two shoes. The 4 or the 5. That's a size 10. I don't know why I bought a 10. Okay, so it's not the one I thought it was going to be, but again, it's still in the same family, so I wasn't too worried. Anyway, we got the Jordan 4 Fear 4s. Check them out. These are super clean, and again, I am so surprised that there's no like crumbling and cracking because these have, again, been sitting in a box for like 3 years now. I don't remember paying $300 for these, but I guess I did. But they're here nonetheless, and I love them. So check them out. The Fear 3s. Ooh, these are beautiful. No, Fear 4s, Fear 4s. What am I saying? I guess, tired right now. That is the first one. Let me show you guys the second one. Again, an older shoe. I know what it is, because I just saw the Fear 4, the Fear 3s today. That's kind of why they're on my mind right now. But anyway, they are in really dope condition for a shoe that's been in a box for like 3 years now. So anyway, check them out. No crumbling, no cracked paint, a little bit of yellowing, but that's, again, they're a very old shoe. So here they are. And crazy enough, I don't really want to spoil the next video, but your boy was kind of lacking the Fear 3s. I just kind of spoiled it, but thankfully, that is the one shoe that I didn't have of the trilogy, and that was the one that re-released. So I'm going to be getting them very soon, and hopefully just completing the trilogy. Like, they're, I guess, sitting everywhere you go. So here they are. We got heat on deck. Boom. Check them out. Get that thumbnail. Fear 4s. Super beautiful shoe. I love them. I rock with them. And again, I will be doing a full in-depth review of these very soon, but let me know what you guys think in the comments section. Like, these are just clean. Like, the suede is just A1. Check it out. Like, a little bit of, like, some staining on the tongue right here by the flight. Overall, really fire shoe. Okay, guys, so that's going to do it for my first hand look at the Fear 4s. Didn't know they'd be in the box, but I'm happy nonetheless, and I definitely can't wait to check out the Fear 5s, and definitely can't wait to pick up the Fear 3s. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. Definitely share it with a friend. We're just getting started over here on the Monster Club. I have a ton of heat to show you guys throughout the year. But anyways, definitely share with your friends. And as always, if you feel the vibe, hit subscribe, join the Monster Club. You guys can always follow me on Instagram at PartyMonster05 and on X at PartyMonster1. But until then, remember, more importantly, don't be a dick. Be excellent to each other. Party on, dudes. Peace. I love y'all. Bye.